What's tessellate mean?
Well, just take a picture of my paper and then you'll see.
Okay. What does tessellate mean?
Tessellate means you have no gaps or overlaps.
I've never heard that word before. Show me one that has a tessellate.
Let's see here.
That has gaps and overlaps?
Nope.
Then
Trapezoids have tessellate in it.
where?
There are no gaps and overlaps. Take a picture and see.
I am. I'm taking a video.
So, these are trapezoids.
Yes.
They tessellate real good.
Okay. Thank you for clearing that up.
Now, I'll show you another one. Squares. Squares have tessellatement. They have 4 sides, just like the trapezoid last time. Now, just to indicate these squares and trapezoids. Now, indicating to red and orange shapes, trapezoids and squares. We have lots of puzzles to do. Once we do all of them, we'll learn another video.